things can get out of a black hole, both to the outside and possibly to another universe.
Professor Hawking once said, "If you think you're in a black hole, don't give up."
So, if you feel you are in a black hole, don't give up. There's a way out.
Black holes are the remnants of stars that collapse under their own gravity, producing gravitational forces so powerful that even light cannot escape. Anything that falls within is thought to be ripped apart by enormous gravity, and it just vanishes from existence. What, after all, is there in a black hole? Why isn't there anything that falls into it? We will try to understand some of these interesting things. Today on SoTile, we'll try to answer, what's inside a black hole? What is inside a black hole? We know what occurs outside the black hole as you get closer to its event horizon, the fabled point of no return. The event horizon is the point at which the escape speed exceeds the speed of light. To escape the black hole's gravity, you'd have to travel faster than light. Physics gets crazy inside the event horizon. Calculations indicate that the appearance of the fabric of space-time inside a black hole is determined by the black hole's history. It could be turbulent, twisted, or any number of other things. But one thing is certain: the tidal forces would kill you. There's something called a singularity within a black hole, according to the theory. All of the matter in a black hole is squashed into a singularity. Some describe it as a point of infinite density at the heart of the black hole, but that's probably incorrect. Granted, that's what classical physics says is there, but the singularity is also where classical physics fails, so we shouldn't trust what it says here. A singularity in a spinning black hole becomes a ring, not a point, in a very special mathematical condition. However, that mathematical circumstance will not exist in reality. Others argue that the singularity is a full surface within the event horizon. We simply don't know. It's possible that singularities don't exist in genuine black holes. Wormholes are theoretically feasible if the proper conditions are met. However, those conditions would almost definitely never exist in the real universe. What would happen if you fell inside a black hole? In theory, you wouldn't feel anything as long as it's a supermassive black hole. You'd be in freefall. You'd exist and then you'd vanish. One idea holds that the tidal forces would become too powerful and too rapid for you to live, reaching the event horizon and culminating in your spaghettification. A distant spectator would see your picture slow down and redden as you approached the event horizon. Although your picture would appear to freeze at the event horizon, in reality you would vanish. Photons would find it more difficult to escape the black hole's gravitational well, and their wavelength would rise until they could no longer be detected. The image would then effectively become invisible. As a result, the spectator will notice your image redden and fade over time. For smaller black holes, a method known as spaghettification is used. This is a far different and more distressing narrative. Truth. Contrary to popular belief, black holes do not truly suck objects in. For example, there are stars orbiting the supermassive black hole at the heart of our galaxy, and they will continue to do so unless something else disrupts their orbits. To be consumed, the object must fall directly into the mouth of a black hole. That was the video, guys. Like, comment, and share the video to show your love and support. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.